The orders for China's large passenger jet, the c919, reached 730 on Tuesday after 4 customers signed purchase plans with the maker. Commercial Aircraft Corporation of China (COMAC), the Shanghai-based manufacturer of the c919, signed the contracts with 4 domestic leasing companies at the Beijing Aviation Expo, which opened Tuesday. It was the largest number of orders since the first c919 plane made its maiden flight in May. COMAC is advancing test flights, according to Wu Guanghui, vice president of COMAC. The company plans to produce 6 planes for test flights. The second is expected to make its maiden flight at the end of this year. With a standard range of 4,075 kilometers, the c919 jet is comparable to the updated Airbus 320 and Boeing's new generation 737 planes. Follow China.org.cn on Twitter and Facebook to join the conversation. China News App download.